In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to back up and sync Dropbox. First, let's get Dropbox onto your computer and sign in. Head to the official Dropbox website, download the desktop app for your operating system, and run the installer. When it opens, sign in with your existing account. After a moment, you'll see a new Dropbox folder appear on your computer. On Windows, it shows up in File Explorer, and on a Mac, it appears in Finder. You'll also notice a small Dropbox icon in your menu bar or system tray. That icon is your status center. It tells you when files are syncing, up to date, or paused. Now let's add your files. Open your Dropbox folder like any other folder on your computer. Drag and drop files or entire folders into it from your desktop or anywhere else. You can organize them however you like. Subfolders, projects, photos. Dropbox will mirror that structure in the cloud. If you have large files, be patient while they copy over. Remember, dragging into Dropbox creates a copy unless you specifically move them. Decide whether you want duplicates or if you prefer to relocate the originals. As soon as your files land in the Dropbox folder, the app automatically starts syncing. You'll see a blue syncing icon on items in progress and a green check mark when they're fully backed up. This means the files are uploaded to your Dropbox account online, and if you're signed into the same account on other devices, they'll appear there as well. If your internet connection drops, no worries. Dropbox queues the changes and resumes once you're back online. If two people edit the same file at the same time, Dropbox may create a conflicted copy to protect everyone's work, which you can review and consolidate later. If you're working on a laptop or a device with limited storage, you can save space with Selective Sync. Open your Dropbox folder, right-click a folder you don't need stored locally, and go to the Dropbox settings from that menu. Look for Selective Sync, then uncheck the folders you want to keep only in the cloud. When you apply the changes, Dropbox removes those folders from your computer but keeps them safely stored online. You can still access them through the Dropbox website, and you can re-enable them in Selective Sync anytime if you want them back on your device. Before you apply changes, double-check the list so you don't unintentionally remove something you need offline. That's it. Install and sign in, add files to the Dropbox folder, let the automatic sync do the heavy lifting, and use Selective Sync to manage local space.